Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you the basics of PyGame, a popular Python library for creating games. So firstly, we need to make sure that we have Python installed in our system. I'm just going to type download Python in the Google. Just click on here and download the latest version of Python in my system. So if you already have this installed in your system, you can just skip this step and follow the next one. So I'm going to click here. Since I've already installed this in my system, I'm going to just cancel this one. Okay, you also need to have an editor where you will write your Python programs. Or you can use anything, you can use Sublime. But I personally prefer a VS Code, which is a more sophisticated as per my opinion, that you can use. So we are going to download the VS Code. You can have the Windows system or Linux, or if you have a Mac system, you can download this one. So since I already have this installed in my system, I'm just going to ignore this step as well. Okay, it's downloading. I'm going to cancel this one since I have already in my system. Okay, now the third step that you need to ensure is that you need to have PyGame installed in your system. So for to do that, we need to type pip install PyGame. You need to do this in the command prompt in your Windows system. Okay, so as you can see, the PyGame is installed, and now we are ready to go to do some coding. So let's start coding our PyGame. First, let me open my VS Code. I have a new file opened. So firstly, you need to import the PyGame in your intro.py file that I've created. Then you need to initialize the PyGame. Let I be pygame.init method. We also need to have a screen width and a screen height. So I have created a screen width. I'll select 640, and screen height, I'll give it a 480. So these are constant variables, so I have given them all uppercase letters. That's a Pythonic way to do. Then we will be concerned about creating a screen for our PyGame. So we'll go to pygame.display.setMode method and give our screen width and screen height. So our PyGame window is completed here. Now we are going to be concerned about our game loop. So we'll create a variable, run, and give a boolean true to this. So we'll next create a while loop that will ensure that the will run this when the run is true. This is same as writing run double is equals to true or run, just while run. Now we need to check the events. So for event in pygame.event.get method, we're gonna get all the events of the PyGame one by one. So we need to check if the event is quit or not. Just a simple program, I'm trying it out. So we need to check if event.type is equals to pygame.quit or not. If that's true, we'll gonna change the boolean value of run to false. So our loop will close there. Then once that's complete, we are close our overall program by using pygame.quit method. And so let's run this program once for a while. So here you can see that a window is opened. The dimensions is the same that we have mentioned, and we can use the quit event and it will be closed. So that's a very basic PyGame for you.